Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And today I will show you a little tutorial. If you don't use of Microsoft Windows, Gmail, for mail, even that can be Outlook or Gmail, Hotmail, whatever, and how to create your email. Now I will show you. It's really easy and useful. And as you see, this my mail. And when you have a mail, you just go here, click on settings and manage account, and just go to add account, and now you choose what you want. If you want Outlook, Hotmail, MSN, whatever, Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud, and as you see, it's really easy. Just go to click, and here you will create. I don't want to just made your account. I have my accounts and your name, second name, choose your mail what you want, password, and second time password, and just go next, and it will be your mail. And that's all. But the first of all, you can go to settings, and of course you must go to your accounts, and here you have mail and address, and of course you have see here they are all here. And if you can add account, and you can go in here that you not open this mail, and made account, and like I said, name, second name, you choose email, and just next, and that will be all, and that will be your name. You can choose and name it what you want. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share for more videos, and bye.